Tired of managing your business? Time to cash in. Thinking of selling your business? The perfect buyer is just a click away on worldbusinessesforsale.com. Imagine this: your hard work, dedication, and passion all paying off as you connect with buyers from around the globe. Yes, we're talking local, national, and international reach. Selling your business has never been easier. With worldbusinessesforsale.com, you get what you see is what you get. No hidden costs, no surprises. User-friendly features that make listing your business a breeze. Professional guidance at every step to ensure your success. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Turn your years of hard work into an opportunity for the future. Our platform isn't just a marketplace, it's your ticket to a smooth and profitable exit strategy. Remember, the right buyer is out there, waiting to invest in your legacy. Whether you're winding down, moving on to new ventures, or simply ready for a change, worldbusinessesforsale.com is your ultimate partner. So, what are you waiting for? Visit worldbusinessesforsale.com today and make it happen.